Well, here I come with one more video on Google Forms. So, as you people know how to open Google Forms, how to create a Google Form. Now, I already opened a Google Form blank assessment. I logged in with my G Suite account. So, we can change the themes or banner or customize the banner. So, I'll show you how to customize and how to change the banner according to your requirement. For this you have to use one site, Kapwing.com. Okay, what is it? Kapwing.com. We'll go to that site. Okay, now go to create a workplace, new project, start with a studio. You have to click on start with a studio. It will load. It will take some time to load. So okay, now we'll come with the black. Okay, default it will come with a 1:1. So we have to customize it according to our Google form banner size. Google form banner size is 1600 to 400. Okay, now here we are in blank Google banner. Now we'll insert a picture in this. I downloaded a picture CBSE folder. I downloaded a CBSE logo. I downloaded. Okay, I'll use that. Okay, this is I uploaded CBSE logo. So now I'm creating a banner for a periodic test. Consider I'm creating a banner for a periodic test for your school. So what I'll do, I inserted a banner logo. You can insert your school logo. Now I'll insert a text. Okay, now here topmost it will come test name. Okay, according to your requirement you can change it. Okay, test name. uh, I can this test name will put normal. I will put black only. Next is one more text we'll take. Here we'll put sorry, a school name. Be careful, I am placing the text because sometimes it will overlap. XYZ public school. Okay, now I want to increase the size of the text. You can increase the size and change the style also. Now I'll increase the size of the text and I'll change the color of the text. Okay, now you can see I changed the text color, size also I changed. And now this is your school name. Now one more text I'll put. This is as a big test one. Okay, and one more I'll keep for, let's see what are things I'm going to put. Class and subject science, date Okay, x x. This is how we can put your exam details. I will do the exam details. It's same as MS Word, how you add it while you are doing a normal question paper. Same as it is. Okay, this is done. Okay. Now we have to put time and maximum marks. So one more text I'll take. This is a problem, big problem. While you are inserting a text and all, it will overlap and it will drag something else. Be careful while you are dragging. So I'll remove this extra one. Okay. How to delete? You have to give view all. You can see here. Go to edit studio. And one thing, I'll use this both. Stop deleting. One for time, one for maximum marks or input marks. Input. Okay, this is how we can create. Okay, you can change the text color also if you want to change the, you can make it darker and light blue. Okay, you can see this is, I created a banner for your Google form. Now you can put background color also. Now I'll try to put some background color for this images. I'll search for a light blue banner background. You can search images directly to the from Google. So I'll select this. You can see here. Okay. adjust. Okay, we can adjust the brightness and all. Increase the brightness. Done. Now increase the brightness of this background, so font should come out properly. Now I'll go to this. Okay, I'll go back to the wall. Click on scenes. Click on edit. Come back there. So now you can see here there are layers. I don't think I need. So click on send back. Go on clicking. Okay. In layer you have to click send back. So it will go back. Okay. Now this is your banner for your Google form. Now what I'll do, I'll export this image and download it. Okay, I'll download the image. It is downloaded. It is downloaded now. Yeah, here it is downloaded. Okay, click this and I'll put in a picture so you won't get confused, because many files are I downloaded there, so you get confused. So I'll put on a picture folder. Now what I'll do, I'll go to your assessment layer Google form. Now I'll click on this. Sorry, I click on themes. It is already displaying. Now I'll upload image for the theme. So I'll upload. You have to select the path, or you can drop down the file. It is in a pictures. I'll go pictures and select this. It's uploading. It's taking time. Done. If you're doing this, click on done. It will take some time. Okay, you already customized your form with your banner. Now you can see it will display to the students with your banner. Okay, I use XYZ, and some places I use X. According to your school requirements, school names, and logo, all those things you can put. You can change the background colors. You can put whatever you required. Some dark shades I use. You can use light also, and you can use white also. You can put school images also. So it look customized Google form look more professional than normal one. Okay, when you are taking a quiz or exams through the Google Forms, you can use this Kapwing design for your Google Form banner creations. Thank you for watching.